Hi, I'm Ruth. I'm here to teach you about Plarn, plastic yarn. Plastic bags of any kind cannot be put into your curbside recycling bin. So, Plarning is a good way to give single-use plastic another purpose. But first, let's play a quick game of Will It Plarn.
Hamburger bag.
Plarnable. Plastic egg.
Not plarnable.
Ziploc bag. Plarnable.
A plastic cup.
Not plarnable.
Plastic packaging.
Plarnable.
Produce bag.
Plarnable.
Plastic bag.
Plarnable. Bread bag. Plarnable.
My dog.
Not plarnable.
Making Plarn requires very few materials, just a sharp pair of scissors and some plastic bags. Many household items that come in single-use plastic can be turned into Plarn. One idea would be to start a separate recycling container to collect clean plastic. Nothing fancy. This is what we use at my house. Obviously, not fancy. Before Plarning, we sort the plastic based on thickness and texture. We like to Plarn similar plastics together. In my house, we go through a lot of bread bags, so that's what I'll demonstrate with first. First, make sure your plastic is clean. Lay out your bag and press it flat. Then, fold it over a few times. You can start cutting the strips from either end, but I like to start cutting from the closed end. Start cutting strips about 1 to 2 inches wide. Eventually, you will end up with a bunch of plastic loops. After you've cut a bunch of strips, it's time to loop them together. First, start by overlapping 2 loops. Take the loop that's under and pull it over this loop and under itself. Then gently pull the 2 ends apart. Now that we have 2, we're going to go into the third. Now this third has to connect to this loop, not this loop, this loop. So we're going to pretend that this one isn't here. And we're going to repeat it. We're going to overlap the 2 loops. We're going to take the loop that's under, pull it over and through itself. Then gently pull the 2 ends apart. So now we have 3 loops connected. Now let's go on to the 4th one. And just do the same thing again. Overlap 2 of the loops. Take the loop that's under and pull it over and through itself. And then gently pull the 2 ends apart. And that is how you're going to connect the loops. Now that we have all this Plarn, what can we do with it? After you make your Plarn, there are many techniques that you can learn to help you make something cool. We like to crochet and braid it. You can even weave it. With enough practice, you might be able to turn your Plarn into a cute little rat. It is the year of the rat. Or, if you're more into sea animals, maybe a whale. Isn't it so cute? Or a jellyfish. Isn't this really big? For something more practical, perhaps a pencil pouch. Or a basket that you can hold all of your things in. As you can see, the sky is the limit. Or maybe I should say, our Earth is the limit. Do your part at this Earth Day to help keep plastic from ending up in our oceans and landfills.